Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make an illustrative and beautiful background for your PowerPoint presentation. I will show you how to make templates by your own. You don't need to buy it from some site in high prices. You can make it by your own. So I have just selected a blank presentation here, and now I'm gonna select view. I'll go to the slide master. So here, slide master gives you an idea about how your slides will look like. If you change the number 1 slide in slide master, all of the slides will be like that. So select this one. Okay, you can make background by your own choice. For example, if you're going to present some biological content or yes, so as in this case I have selected some DNA pictures that I've already saved. For example, for the title slide I want to make background look like this. I'm gonna just copy this picture, or you can insert it from the pictures menu, and I'm going to paste it here. Crop it. Now I will expand it on the whole slide. So you can choose the background according to your choice, according to your topic of presentation. It can be business, it can be mathematical, or any other. So now select right click on mouse, and go to send to back. There are two options, send to backward and send to back. Select send to back. Yep. Now this picture is going to act like background. All of your slides will be like this. Close the master, and here you have the title slide. Okay. All of your next slides will be like this one, but you want to change, if you want to change the background of your next slide or next to next slide, in case, right here the title. You have to change the color of title according to your background. For example, you can make it black and white, but in this case black is not so visible, so I'm going to change it to white. Now this font is not visible, so I'm going to change the font. You can do any of change, you can make any of the change, you can edit it in the way you want. It's all about life. Okay, now content slide. It's up to you. Like, if you want that content slide with the same background, you can select this one, or you can make a new background. So now you want a different background for your next slide. What you have to do, Go to the slide master again in the view menu. Now insert a new one. For example, I selected this picture. Instead of pictures, you can also select different colors. You can also select the gradient of colors. Crop the extra part. Now expand it on the whole slide. As I'm not using mice. I'm not using mouse right now. So now, in the new slide options, you will have another custom template. So you can select from here. For example, select the title only, just to write down the introduction. Or make changes, whatever you want. Now you want a different background for the text slides. Again, go to the slide master. For example, you want a DNA strand on one side. I choose this picture. Paste it here. Drop. Expand. So now this background is not suitable for the text slide, like where you will write now. So I'm just thinking to make it on one side. Cropped. Now I can change the background, like the rest of the background. I can add some colors or add some other picture with the same color. So I just try to add a similar color if I found. Now, not this one. Gradient. The color you have selected for simple color will show in gradient with a white or with red or with black. Not satisfied. Totally not. No. Here is someone else. It's more like. Okay, let's see. Now it's black. Okay, forget about the background, forget about the editing you made to colors. Okay, I'm just trying to expand it. So it's, yeah, now better. There is one more picture with the same color. I'm trying to, okay, let me add that picture. No, not this color. Let's try that picture. Add a picture with the same color. So I select this one, paste it here, dot. I'm just trying to merge this picture with the DNA strand. So here, you can make it like this one. You can merge these two and send them to back. Or I'm liking this picture as a background bar, so I'm selecting this one. So the text will be right here. Expand and send it back. So this is my text slide background and text slide templates already. Here it is. You can write down the theories, the methods, the pros and cons, and whatever you want here. And for the heading titles, like for the methodology, for the pros and cons, for the different perspectives, for the future perspectives, and like that, you can add this line. So again, after every title slide, you can add text slides. This one. The video is so long, but I'm explaining you step by step. This is how our slides look like. Yes. Here. This is how your slide will look like at the end. Title slide. Introduction and whatever you want to explain in text form. Here the text sides come and methods used, pros and cons, whatever you want to explain. Text for that one, then findings, or results, or future perspectives, and at the end, thanks. Thank you so much for watching my video.